If your yard is feeling overly hard or struggles to stay healthy, using an aerator like this could help improve airflow and water absorption. Assembly was really straightforward. You attach the handle, secure the connecting rods, and then tighten everything firmly before use. The base includes this spring reset system, so as you press down, it will compress, and then whenever you release, it's going to lift back up automatically. To use it, place the spikes flat on the soil and apply steady pressure with your foot. Lift straight up to allow the springs to reset, and then you work in rows across the lawn for even coverage. For the best result, aerate slightly moist soil and wear sturdy shoes during use. Overall, my husband found the tool easy to use. However, with prolonged use, he did find it taxing on his hips. If you want a tool that helps you improve your lawn without overcomplicating things, this could be a really solid option for you.